What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new trade recap. So today we ended up taking one trade, which is a losing trade. So let's just break down what I was looking for going into this morning. So coming into the morning here, I was bullish, but price never swept this low. Again, if you zoom in on the higher time frame, we're closing above this high. So again, we have this internal model here, which is what I wanted to see. But price didn't give me an entry for this trade, right? As you can see, we had an SMT that got put in at these lows, and then price just kind of bounced off of this rejection block. And then we displaced higher, creating the bullish breaker. And we just kind of formed low resistance on our way up. And then we just kind of shot up straight to those highs. At the time, I did look at this, and we can put in equal lows, and I was like, damn, like if this bullish PDRA after 9:30 got opened, and it holds and creates the order block, in my recording, I did say like this will most likely deliver if we're bullish, and it ended up delivering. But again, it's not my model, so I personally didn't take the trade. Then price ended up retracing back to the dealing range that I did want to see. So again, I wasn't targeting this high potentially here because I felt like this is a protected high. So in order for me to go long again, I need like displacement above it, and then a range, and then a continuation. So we didn't get that, but we did come to equilibrium, did tap into this breaker, and we had a sweep of liquidity here, which is at the sell side right here. Again, so we had my range, high time frame PDRA, we had equilibrium, sweep of sell side, and now highest time frame inversion. Again, this was the 15-minute, which I was looking to partial half of my contracts and then let the rest run to the 5-minute. This was my break even, partial. So at first I had my partial that was going to be right around here, but then I realized, I'm like, damn, this could be a rejection block, so I moved it right around here, and then price ended up taking my stop loss, unfortunately. Again, we got the inversion here, and we also inverse this gap here, but I waited for a little tap back in. I longed, I risked 340 on this trade, and we lost, or 360 on this trade actually. Let me make sure, yeah, 360 plus commission, 373. Again, sticking within my fixed risk. Very good trade, very happy about my execution. Again, same process focus, that's all that matters. So other than that, I'm done for the day. This is the model that I was looking for. I'm not going to inflict my own will. As long as I follow my rules, it just gets easier and easier for me to just walk away, because I know I did the right thing. And again, we've been winning 4 days in a row. So we won 4 days in a row. A loss is bound to happen, right? So I'm actually going to go over my journal here as well that I wrote this morning. So this is a pre-market journal. So today, woke up feeling great, followed my usual morning routine, and now before coming into the trading day, I had a feeling of just trying to pass my eval and risking more. Like I just want to like get this over with and start like making money and following my rules. But then I told myself, I know I'm going to focus on the process and follow my rules. So like I wanted to risk more, and then I told myself, but I'm not going to do that because it hasn't been 20 trading days or 20 trades consistently just following my model. So I will keep the same size until I pass this eval the right way and have 20 consecutive trading days of being process focused. So even after I pass the eval, even if it's like a 1 trade or 2 trades, even after I pass the eval and I have 10 trading days, for example, it doesn't mean I'm gonna go on my live and I'm gonna go heavier. Like I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna still wait for my model. You know what I mean? So until I hit 20 trades, and then once I get my payout and do the right thing, then that's what I'll do. So yeah. Then I put I will keep the same size until I pass the eval the right way and have 20 consecutive trading days of being process focused. Once I do this, then I will have earned the right to go heavy on the eval. Also, we have to keep the same risk once we're on the live until we get that payout. I'm going to keep the same process focus mentality, process focus always. I'm grateful to be able to control my impulses and get better every single day. And I put thank you, God. So again, very good day, very process focused. I did the right thing coming into today. And as you can see, prices actually want to sweep, and then we got the inverse, and this was the break even, right? But we have equal lows, so I'm not taking this as well once again. Yeah, so again, this would have been the break even for those that would have taken this, and then price would be partially in 1 right here. Again, now this is a trade where I wouldn't take because 1, we have equal lows, and it's 1042. So again, this is exactly what I wouldn't do. But again, as you can see, the model will always play itself out. I was just on the losing end of that trade. But yeah, other than that, hope you guys had a good day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.